Good morning, class. Take out your grammar notebook, mention CW, day, and date. Then you have to write your topic. Your topic is value of time. Today we have to do the value of time. It's a paragraph. You will underline your topic and subtopic. Okay, boys? It's a paragraph. In this paragraph, you will learn that how should one spend his time and how can we make our time fruitful. With these key points, you have to write the paragraph and then you have to send me your feedback. Your first point is time is precious. Means if the time has passed, it will never come back again. Time is precious because life is too short and we don't know what will happen in the next moment. Okay. Your second point is time makes us efficient means if we will do our work on time, we will be if we will do our work efficiently or quickly, then we can do our work in less time. Okay. Time makes us punctual means if we will get up early in the morning, then we can go to school in time and then we will be regular and we can learn more things in positive way. So time makes us punctual. Time is irreversible mean we cannot bring the time back if the time has passed. Like that, if we are spending money, we can bring that money back with some effort. But if the time has passed, we cannot bring it back. If we will not do study on time, then we will not be able to get good grades in exam. Time wasting brings failure. The person who will not follow the time, they are not able to get any goal in their life. All the great men know the worth of time. That's why they get success and they get all the things what they wanted in their life. It is a famous saying that an inch of time is an inch of gold. Means a time is like gold. If we will waste it, we will not be able to get any achievement or any goal in our life. Time makes us disciplined and respectful citizen. Means if we will be disciplined, we will do every work on time. We will not be burdenized. Like that, if you are regular in your school and you are not doing your work on time, then you will have missing work. But if you are coming regularly and completing your work on time, then you will be regular and disciplined. But if we will waste time, then we will be burdenized. Time also makes us respectful citizens. If we will do everything on time, then people will love us and it will help us to make a better society. So now with the help of these key points, you have to write paragraphs at least of 10 to 12 lines. Do your work neatly on grammar notebook and then send me your feedback.